to thank you. Before studying Lily, he would be better if we pray according to each other belief. Start praying. Finish. Here I will explain about complex sentence.
Complex sentence. What is a complex sentence? Complex sentence is a sentence with only one independent clause and at least one dependent clause. A complex sentence is often used to make clear ways IDs are most important independent clause and which IDs are subordinate dependent clause. Example: she wore what she bought last week to the party. She wore to the party independent clause. What she bought last week dependent clause or noun clause. Independent clause and dependent clause. Independent clause and independent clause main clause is a group of related words that contain subject and verb, and it can express a complete thought. Use a result and independent clause can stand on its own and be used as a sentence. Dependent clause. A dependent clause, subordinate clause, is a group of related words that contains subject and verb but doesn't express a complete thought and therefore can stand on its own. There are three types of dependent clause. 1. Adverb clause. 2. Adjective clause. 3. Noun clause. Formula of complex sentence. There is two type formula of complex sentence. 1. Complex sentence using subordinating conjunction. You can see in the table what is a complex sentence using subordinating conjunction. When the complex sentence begins with the independent clause, comma, is not regular, and the subordinators is in the middle of sentence. When the complex sentence begins with the independent clause, comma, is not regular, and the subordinators is in the middle of sentence. Independent clause plus subordinal in the middle plus dependent clause. Example: I went to the party next door even thought I had school the next morning. I went to the party next door independent clause. Even thoughts subject conjunction of opposition dependent clause. When the complex sentence begins with the dependent clause, it is followed by comma. Subordinal plus dependent clause plus comma plus independent clause. If the participants are less, the action can start meeting. If subject conjunction of condition, dependent clause or adverb clause. the audience can start meeting independent clause. 2. Complex sentence using relative pronoun. You can see in the table what complex sentence use relative pronouns. If a dependent clause comes in the middle of a sentence or at the end of a sentence, the writer has to make a decision about who to punctuate it. If the dependent clause is essential to the meaning of the sentence, do not set it off with comma. Example: independent clause plus relative pronoun plus dependent clause. I meet a student whom you are talking about. I meet a student, independent clause. Whom relative pronoun. Dependent clause or adjective clause.
That's all, and thank you, Mr. Ranto, and all of you friends.